elephant walks with the thunder and sound through jungles and rivers where wonders are found. With ears so big and a trunk so long, it hums through the forest, its rumbling song. It bathes in the river with the splash and the spray, cooling its skin on a hot sunny day. It drinks from the stream so wide and clear, the king of the wild with nothing to fear. Its tusks are ivory shining in white, strong as the mountains, a beautiful sight. It uses its trunk to lift and to play, helping its herd as they wander away. The baby calf stumbles but learns to stand, guided by mom with a gentle hand. Together they march, a family so tight, through fields of gold in the soft moonlight. The elephant's memory never grows small. It remembers the pathways, the trees and it all. Through storms and sunshine it knows its way, leading the herd to a brighter day. So wise and gentle, so strong and kind, the elephant teaches the curious mind. Respect the wild and it will thrive, keeping the beauty of nature alive.